In the heart of the Smokies, Anakeesta has always been a place of magic. And now, we're bringing you even more.
Today, we're excited to introduce Making More Magic, the 5-year, $100 million expansion plan to Anakeesta.
Over the next half-decade, we are bringing even more ways to feel the magic of the mountains and create new ways for our guests to play in nature and, more importantly, to be inspired by it.
Phase 1 of Making More Magic begins now. It's a collection of new rides, experiences, and adventures here at Anakeesta. The magic begins before you even reach the mountaintop. We have a brand new lift. This new ride consists of 56 gondola cabins, each which can accommodate up to 6 people. It gives you a 360-degree view of the beautiful Smoky Mountains. All of these cabins have a glass bottom to them, so not only do you again see around, but you also see below you as you experience the ride to the top of the mountain.
Once you arrive to the mountaintop, a woodland fairy tale will come to life. Our new Firefly Village will be expanded, more immersive, with gardens and cascading waterfalls, and of course, it overlooks high above Gatlinburg. From there, step into the trees on the reimagined Treetop skywalk. It's North America's longest treetop adventure, and we're expanding it with new bridges, new towers, and sweeping new views that will stretch for miles.
Here in the Great Smoky Mountains, we have a very unique experience that's really unique to our area, and that is the fireflies that come out in early June. Unfortunately, it only lasts for 2 weeks. We here at Anakeesta, however, are going to introduce the new Firefly experience on our Treetop skywalk. This new experience is going to be open every night. It's going to give our guests an opportunity to experience the fireflies as we imagine them here in the Great Smoky Mountains with an immersive experience along our canopy walk.
And this is only the start. Making More Magic will unfold over the next 5 years, creating countless new experiences still ahead. Each experience will create new ways to connect with nature, discover adventure, and find the moments of magic. Because here at Anakeesta, there's always magic in the mountains.